Hi, everyone. Welcome to the announcement of our winners for the very first Boot Camp Challenge.
All right, we are excited to first announce the individual drawing, and the first place winner goes to somebody from Germany.
Tina B. with 5,443 minutes.
And what does she win?
A $100 Amazon gift card. Congratulations. And I have to say, this is the second month in a row that Tina B. has won the challenge. So good job.
All right, our next one was a random drawing for a $100 Amazon gift card, and this went to
Alexander S. with 172 minutes. Congratulations.
Alexander's out of Canada. Congratulations. We have now two t-shirt drawings, and this was a little bizarre. The first one came out of the United Kingdom with only 13 practice minutes.
Yeah, Daniel P.
And then the second one, Sandra G. with only one single practice minute.
Yeah.
Let that be a lesson to you kids. Don't practice anything and you'll probably win. I'm only kidding.
All right. Now for our studio division, number one was Joshua Harris from the United States with 16,003 minutes
That's
from his
cheating.
studio.
He could not get 16,000. Actually, he has his students practicing 5 days a week, an hour a day in class. That's pretty cool that he can do that. That's how he got so many minutes.
Yeah, congratulations. Great job.
And then our random drawing went to Angie C., who was in 31st place, and she also gets a $100 Amazon gift card.
Yes, and her studio completed 1,242 minutes.
All right, the next drawing will go to the classical challenge. We look forward to seeing you there.
Bye.